Hey, I'm Tamberly, the founder of the Digital Wellness Journal, where we help women reduce the mental load so that they can live a life with clarity and ease. Now, you've cleared your head, you're doing the brain dump, you sorted the load using AI. But if you're honest, we know that in a week or two, the load starts to creep back in, right? And that's because life keeps happening. We don't have a way around that. So, design is not about motivation, it's about infrastructure. And today, I'm going to teach you the first design tool inside EOD, the capture system. Most mental load rebuilds for one reason: you're using your brain as a storage. You think that you'll remember that, you think you'll deal with it later, it'll come back to you. But open loops create pressure, right? The capture system closes the loop immediately, not by solving it, by storing it somewhere reliable. Every unfinished task in your head is an open loop. Buy the gift, reply to the email, research the thing, have a conversation. Even small ones. Open loops drain energy because your brain keeps scanning for them, right? The capture system stops the scanning because now your brain trusts that everything has a place. So here's the rule: you only have one capture location, okay? Not five apps, not sticky notes, just put everywhere, and not random screenshots. You have one. It can be a single running Google Doc, a notes app, just one notes app page, okay? One physical notebook or a task manager inbox. But it must just be one. And anytime something enters your mind that requires action, thought, or follow up, you capture it immediately. You do not decide, you just store it, okay? And that's the system. So here's how it works inside the EOD. Daily, you capture. Whatever pops up, you put it in your one document. Then weekly, you process. That's where you move items into do, schedule, delegate, or release. And you can use AI during your weekly processing. Okay. That way it helps you sort and prioritize. But the power is this: your brain stops holding things because it trusts the system. And that is mental relief. Externalize clears your mind. Organize gives direction. Design holds protection. The capture system is simple, but it changes everything. Because now, when something enters your mind, into your world, you don't have to carry it. You can capture it. And when the load builds again, you don't panic. You repeat the system. And that is the EOD method: externalize, organize, and design.
Remember, we don't just consume content here at the lab, we build systems. If you found value in this protocol, do me a favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that life designers are here. And if you are ready to turn your chaos into clarity, check the description box below for the tools and templates we talked about today. I'm Tamberly, your life design strategist. Until next time, define it, design it, live it.